Hello and welcome to our channel Custom News TV. Today we shall show you the unboxing and review of Amkette 3-socket car charger. This is the thing, we have unboxed it. This is the covering. In the box image it was present. It has been purchased from Amazon. And cost is something $4.99. 3-port quick charger, Amkette, robust high quality 3 layers Qualcomm quick charge 3.0. Let us now open up the this is the seal. Both sides it has been sealed. So now we open up the seal. Let us see what is within the box. Okay, so this is the Amkette USB cable. It is C type. The company cable Amkette, type C cable for latest mobiles with USB input. And this is the charging socket, normally which is called cigarette socket. So it has 3 ports. 2 ports are normal and another one which is red, you can see over here, is quick charge 3.0 port. This will charge faster. They claim that it will charge 4x faster. Yeah, here you can see. And this is the input pin. So really nice, handy one. Within this hand you can fill it. This much is the size, and this will be inserted outside. You can see this much only. So this is a nice company, Amkette. Here you can see smart 3.1 ampere, and that is supercharged quick 30 watts. These are the instructions. Qualcomm 3.0 quick charge. It says that the latest, fastest and most efficient USB charging technology in the world, up to 4x faster than standard chargers. 35 minutes of charging, 80% of charge. This is the comparison. Conventional charging causes only 20%, and in that much time this will enable 80% of charge. It is coming with 1 year hassle-free warranty. You need to register the product over here. Yeah, as you can see, it has been mentioned type C cable, so it comes along with type C cable. So friends, really a nice product, and that too at reasonable rate. Use it and enjoy it. If you do like our video, then do like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.